Welcome to the Right Corner YouTube channel. If it's your first time tuning in, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Mzembi, the former Zimbabwean Minister of Tourism and Hospitality Industry, has called into question the effectiveness of holding fresh elections without substantial reforms in place. In a recent statement, Mzembi noted that Zanu appears to be the only party ready for an election, while the opposition is in disarray, and questioned whether holding an election now without reforms would truly make a difference for the people of Zimbabwe. Mzembi has wrote on his X account that if fresh elections were held today, what difference would it make? I sense that Zanu is perpetually ready while the opposition is in tatters. Is it fresh elections required now without reforms, or a genuine brokering of national dialogue to reset everything to people's aspirations for renewal and reform based on the liberation vision, ethos and principles of an inclusive and equitable state for all? Gusa ruzhinji, not gusa vene. Mzembi's statement sparked debate and discussion on social media and among political commentators. Some agreed with Mzembi, arguing that the current political climate in Zimbabwe does not support free and fair elections. Others disagreed, suggesting that any election would be better than no election at all, and that holding an election is a necessary step towards restoring democracy in Zimbabwe. Some ex-users were commenting that it's not about about opposition. Even those in exile must be allowed in their country and take part in matters of national interest. So it's not about opposition or election, but a real fresh start. Chamisa will win the free and fair elections in Zimbabwe at any time, even at midnight. We simply need a non-politician as the head of state at the moment. Hence, coup will be a blessing to the nation. I pray Maniza is cooking something. That was all for today. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.